You see you coming here, and let us just say it's a prank. Right? You come here. You see at the end of the day, you look like a piece of material or a prop. It's so much time I talk to you, my baby. Now, Emmy, say if this is not a prank, and you know about the baby mother, I'm going to tell you the truth, my baby, and don't think me I disrespect you. He's an African whore. There? He's an African whore. If you know about the baby mother, and you still sign up for this, and what is on the app? 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 Come here, people. The whole Swisslee and Beyonce drama is fake. Open on the eye. The whole Swisslee and Beyonce drama is fake. Open on the eyes. It is fake. Not no gossip. Not no gossip. Remember, you say words like how it fake. We don't know Swisslee fake beyond recognition. Yeah? It is so fake. Them not have no talent, them not have no gift, them is just one bunch of careless, dirty people. That's all me can have to say. And then you draw your mother come in and one little dirty something when unnecessary. It just don't make no sense. This is how low we don't fall off. This is how low we don't have to go. And for such, from the city Swisslee's argument, you know, I don't even want to say nothing out of my mouth about it because nothing I did for talk about. Come here. How long Swisslee have multiple relationships? Why now? World Dog and Yannick. Jakes and Rosalie. K and 10 Point. And who else? I don't know. Emmy and Lando. Swisslee want a piece of the For You page. At that time, one can nothing go and film. He want a piece of the For You page. We want to gain some talent and entertainment and come, man. We can't entertain people. Everybody will come. Where? We big dirty and careless. Move. Move. We don't want to hear nothing about Uno. Right now, Emmy and Lando. The thing is just a lie. Everything is a lie. Everything is a lie. Everything is a lie, and these are the sacrifices that people are willing to make because the app now make no money like that again. So you have to go be trending. You have to go be trending. Make Lando and Emmy go and get the beaten and the real. Lord man, make Lando and Emmy go and get it, man. Good God Almighty. Good God Almighty. You not like when nobody are mentioned on the app. Make Lando. And Lando little time forget little shine and little beaten down. A theme time, man. Good God, I'm going, man. You're not sick drunk or stomach. Go in. A Lando time. We don't want to hear from you. We don't want to hear not boy. Number one, we don't care. Remember your annual artist. That every birthday Jamaica hear from you. We don't want to hear now. A Jaden birthday, man. We don't want to hear. We don't want to hear from you. It not make no sense. No sense. Eh? We don't want to hear from you. What you known for? What you known for? First and foremost, what you known for? Nothing. We don't want to hear nothing from you. You steal. You and World Dog go over this, so not doing the time already. Go over this, so. Go lay down over this, so. Yeah. No, Emmy and Lando, give them little shine. Give them, I want to like keep unity match. I want to like talk about where I bring TikTokers together. Make them shine now. Good God Almighty, man. I tell you about the net. Una always just a then me not understand. Oh, me am more older than una. Me can't in a relationship problem yet. Come like nobody no want to leave me. Everybody want to stay with me. Me am more dog than una, you know. And me not in a no relationship problem. And all of who come out and talk about relationship, una don't make sense. Una just big, dirty, stink, nasty and careless. Una don't make sense. I would never be in a relationship with no for una. Me is a whore. Me is a whore. Because all I know Swisslee now tell we married to forgetting papers. And that's what I want to know about. Remember, so when you just go up, you know, I want you gift that that pay your rent. Come now, man. Come now, man. I them something you're not talking. No, we don't want to hear this. Who want hear who you married to forget your papers? Yeah, we want hear who did have to pay your rent so you have to move when them stop. Sister, we need a class me. Eh? At them argument you want hear. We don't want hear them fandangles. They don't hide the true stories. We don't want hear this. And that's why we say we don't want to see a series with Emmy and Lando. We want to see series with Lando and his baby mother. Emmy, go on back home. Go on back home. We want to see series with Lando and his baby mother. We don't want to see series with you and Lando because this not real. This not real. So we want hear who Swiss married for get paper. This or me them. Me not the right here, so me don't know who is Beyonce and she not cut no record. Me don't want hear about she a ex. She a ex a whole heap of my ex them out there paying for me too. We don't want hear from your girl. Cause you and him now make no sense and not sell no traction. Sorry, go back in. This not sell. Me don't know who could have sit down and listen to him. Eh, you wonder why I moved Ghana, Texas. Yeah, this not make no sense. The argument and the murder listen to Red and Anna. The argument here not make no sense. Try something else. You not try a long time to make the main page. You not try a long time to make the main page. Swisslee come out with all breakup story. Swisslee come out with all SATA story. And nothing. No, say Swisslee give up. Turn the towel. Go lay down now. Retirement reach you. Retirement reach you. God know you and world dog can't come back. You have to go over favorite. God done up that. I open back MySpace and i5. We don't want to hear. We don't nasty. We don't just have no ambition. You fall right off. Accept your fall. You dip on the ground and still think say you up on the building. Accept your fall. Thank you, my baby. Cisco. Accept your fall, man. Good God Almighty. Go on in peace. Yeah, go on in peace. Tag. Yeah. Emmy, what want you about Lando? Emmy and Lando are sell. Not even Annie can foresee now way, you know, till Emmy go home. Boy, Emmy, I can't wait for you to live up. Then Emmy, tell me the truth. No, Emmy. In all fairness, we love you, but me gonna tell you the truth. Oh, me see all of them series they go. Right, Emmy? So if a series, I5, you remember I5, Pink Patty, you remember I5? Yeah. May I tell you all of this, Emmy? Why I say go home? And others not tell you, you know. Come here. You see, if you know about, that's why I say that the prank cannot make it. The prank can only make Lando look good and you look like a whore. You know? May I tell you this? You see you coming here? And let us just say it's a prank. Right? You come here. It's at the end of the day, you look like a piece of material or a prop. It's so much time I talk to you, my baby. You look like a piece of material or a prop. Go on. You see some people, them only tell you how much them love you out of pity. You know why them tell you so them love you? May I tell you this? Them tell you because them feel sorry for you. Know, Emmy, say if this is not a prank and you know about the baby mother, I'm going to tell you the truth, my baby, and don't think me I disrespect you. He's an African whore. There? He's an African whore. If you know about the baby mother and you still sign up for this, and this is what I'm telling you, my baby, it no matter how good you want to go and how pretty you want to act, them are going to have it to say he's an African whore. You alone spend 1 million naira to come take a khaki that is not yours and run down a body and watch it. Yeah, and the body don't want you. Because honestly, it's the energy that I'm getting between you and Lando, platonic. It's just, I'm a brethren this, I'm a dupes. You understand me? One woman, I don't know how long I can hold my temper. One woman. No, Cisco is true. One woman. I don't know how long I can hold my temper, you know. Because one time I go to babysitting work, I have to leave it the same time I go and make you the holy puppy and them I cry. And them I cry for nothing, you know. And I tell them shut up because I'm not ball for nothing. I just take up my bag and come out because I can't take temptation long, you know. Go on home. Go on home because they see me, Me I try hold back pan enough something me want to see because of what me want to see because of when me sit in a relationship. You hear? The boy not even a carrier out. Number one, Lando in the club, and when you look how far you fly from with 1 million naira, 1 million naira you spend to come see Lando in the riding. We see my bulletproof vest. Lando shoes one suede. Lando shoes one suede, and it look like it come with zip. Then I want to go with Lando foot. Then from Lando ban until now, Lando can't wear nothing good. You see Lando shoes, you see where you fly from Africa from. I see when I see Lando broke dance in the shoes and I see me. You know him provoke me differently though, see me. Hey, Lando take me back in at 2010, you know. 16 years ago. Lando draw me back in at 2010, you say. When I see Lando shoes. But Lando, of course, Lando did that in England. He never did that African step off in England. I see when I see the little boy shoes, Lando come here, then I don't argue with me, say. When I see your shoes, I say, sir, if me ever in the club, man, I beat up your rotted shoes. After I done beat up your shoes, I broke a bubble pan it. I give your shoes a backers. I bend back where I make your shoes do me. No, for real. Then Emmy come in. London not spend no money on you because a mother's patty you eating a girl. Mothers. And you know long me not hear people like eat patty from mothers. You have to well poor and broke enough to eat patty from mothers, you know. You know man, gone are the days when you used to go market. Let me tell you something because people don't want to attest to that fact. You see mother's patty though nice. You see mother's patty. You know you don't have to agree with my Mel. Because I never see yourself if you agree with me, you know. You know, I never say yourself you agree with me because remember say when you not drop on a standard, you can't agree with nobody. And besides, not for you not have no standard. But you can't look at other girl and tell other girls say them not have no standard. So me never did ask for an agreement. Remember me not come here for host a party. Remember when I sit down and I talk when I say. So when you say you don't agree, Mel, I never sign up for you agree. Because of one thing, all you gonna say you not agree, say Lando should have did this and Lando should have did that or whatever you want to say about it. Me not care. I don't care, remember your careless though. Remember when you go to all for man and come back and complain. When you do the doing for cry. Remember when you forge heartbreak. So what you ever tell me say, you not agree with me. Woman to woman, me not expect you to agree. Because I'm up your alley. No, me never come here for not agree with me now when I still not talking to ladies. You see, because I know when me attack say. This is one of the funny part about life. You see, everybody who say them not agree with me, I say, why you say don't agree with me? Why? All when you tell me it don't make no sense. And it really don't make any sense. You understand me? Because when I cannot agree because when I fall prey to this. When I can't agree. Remember when the mother did breathe. Remember when the father careless. Yeah, me never come here so and sit down and say, I lie Winnie, talk truth Winnie. No. You notice when me talk, I'm leave it right there, sir. You notice, Mel? When me talk, I'm leave it right here, so my. Right here, so me leave it. Me not take it up. Because one thing with me know say anything when I say I will not agree to go prove itself. Me know it will prove itself. And this is not make believe. This is how it's proven. Over and over. Yeah, because no for una careless girl and una like hear the truth. No for una faster dirty man for there with other girl and una daughter get up and breathe for somebody when not working yet in a life. And una turn on and cuss her and cuss in, not realizing that this is on a deposit. Remember, una the deposit this in her life. And I never know. You see, it's so funny that una trash me and tell me say me tear down women, but when me stand up for woman, no, una not agree. Kakafat. Parents are so confusing. Then Emily say, I can't deal with this on my own anymore. And talk some sense into his head. Never in my life did I think I'd be this miserable in Jamaica. A place I've dreamed, you know. Dreamed, but anyways. Yeah, I've visited for over 4 years. Yeah, it can be dreamed not too long. Dreamed. Yeah, it can be dreamed. Or you dreamt about coming to Jamaica. Or dreamed, a dream. I remember we dreamt. Going how we dream to know. I guess sometimes the things we want most aren't always what's right for us. Emmy, wow. And my nose a joke me like one sharp ear in it. Or it just cut mysteriously. Go on home. Tell me then what are we the enemies them cook a whole heap of hunk. And the funny part about life, she can't breathe, you know. So all of them little soldiers they got to waste. Who else we got chat? Cause we don't chat them people, you know. Yeah, Swisslee look a come back and it not no real, so we not chat him. Yeah. Don't shout at me, sorry. Britain's also, hey girl, move from here, say historical Bellevue. Move your nastiness from here, so who you want to sing for chat mad people? Hey girl, go. You know, say Emmy Ball. Say London I get the experience. Me I wonder for the plane fare she look for go back now. I wonder for party cause we can't chuck her with tasty yet, you know. We can't chuck her. It's all about move them and about Shanna and Karen. At the end with them there. Why not go over there Zola go sharing them conch? Me say when I see the man look out for the pot of conch, my. Then there's so much conch, them wanna go show down. I kind of feel a little bit jealous, you know, because I love conch. Conch is one of my favorite dishes, you know. Conch is one of my favorite dishes. Them say, now come with Rosalie because them say H0re. Then I never know. I have one picture in here so them put up with H. Me I wonder if I in here so I have the picture out there so. Them say H Colonium. H still have the sump on him eye. Cheryl now go bite it. Jake still have the water on him eye. Cheryl it wants to be bitten. Cheryl, the sump on Jake's eyes, I want to be bitten. It want to be bit. Both and bite. Rose pay for move it already. Oh, then them have the picture with the sump on him face. The official and mackerel. What do the official and mackerel? My two girls them argue. When mackerel say about the official. When mackerel say about the official, can I hear somebody a chat the official and I say she's no mother. Come now, man. What the problem with the official? Can we cut and go through? Because I'm not stay with you long enough. What the problem with the official? The old in a D throat. Who for old? 6 old? Alright. So 6 old in a D throat. Alright. D pretty. D pretty. D nice. D nice. Then if D get 6 good in that short, so you know, Emmy come here, Emmy say she suck Lando, do you not hear it? So if D get 6 good, D stick to the nature where she know. Stick to the evil you know. At least 6 push him good in one female mouth. Suppose me did yan. Suppose I did yan. Suppose me did it and just happen for yarn. Suppose me did just get tired. That is a cha. Nothing wrong with that. Me not see nothing wrong with that. So mackerel is saying. What is mackerel saying? Me don't want mackerel and D cussing because I like the two of them little, you know. I like D and I like mackerel, you know. Me don't want them cuss. Me don't want them have nothing, man. Lord don't allow D. Make D take 6. Make it D permission for take 6. D enjoy yourself here. Because when Jabalani, Abalani, Kabalani gone, you don't know nothing. You don't know where to do. I remember you from Bashment Granny, big old girl after me never last. You go like me the last idea talk about you remember me from Bashment Granny. After it's not my address. You go like Bashment Granny is a community. Bashment Granny is a community. You talk about you remember me from Bashment Granny. Bashment Granny is a school. Is it an institute? So what you mean you remember me from Bashment Granny like you did years when I graduate? What that's supposed to say? Make it make sense. We are try some baby. Coming up to the whole heap of argument and talking. Now what me not understand what she mean by she remember me from Bashment Granny. Bashment Granny! I want the number for it. I want to call another college and see if them still open. Come in know where you're afraid me with. Me remember you from Franklin Town. No Lati you talking to me. Why Emmy me not like where you live though, but stick it out. You soon gone back home. Stick it out, and when you go home, oh your mouth go unleash. When you go send demon next year, send demon, he would survive more than you can. Remember Froggy might eat, you know. So send demon. Send him when you go back. You ball too? Somebody send the whole zoo for Shebby. Hey, move your dirty, nasty, corruption, blood finger about send the whole zoo for me. We be do with so much animal. My favorite lady now. My one with my favorite lady now. My favorite the man with the whole heap of post them. Me not like the end with them look. The end with them look. The end with them look like the cleaner version of Zozo and Britney. Yeah. The anyways, them look like the cleaner version of Zozo and Britney. Me can't tell no lie. No, you know me can't tell no lie for sure. I cannot tell one lie. Huh? Oh, you mean the cleaner version? After them no well. Then them coulda well. Then you know say when Miss H0re walk on the camera, the panel himself. Bust a wine for them. You know see Miss H0re wine all my mother know me sting her with a bus elastic. Me just sting her with a bus elastic. And when them argue, and the argument sweet me, you know. And you know me not like, the whole of them I get upset and not do nothing. Them I get too angry. And nothing not do. And I want charger in the good house. But they might eat conk. Says what is important to them. That is why Lando should have changed the pillar there. Is what is important to them. It's not the charger. It's the conk. Them cook man, them one thing man. Lando again, Bobby not like hear it, you know. But we now stop talking about Lando until the rusty zinc and the green zinc move from which part him a cook. I want him take down them two zinc they from out of the kitchen, man. The rusty and the green zinc. Them they down at the back there, so you can't see them down at the back. We now stop then imagine Lando I the baby mother from social media and cook pan cold stove and get Emmy on social media. I mean, I rate that a disrespect that for the African princess fly out here and now get the best experience. I'm say H0re speed. Come out here and H0re speed get everybody. Me nah play Emmy go on home. Emmy, you know, remember you wait to the airport. I wish for you come in Kingston or Mobile. Cause me willing for detour, you know, and drop you. Eh? Me willing to detour and drop you. Auntie have a baby figure you. Oh, you want me that shit way? And me you want that shit way so you still can go to a girl move from your sangway. But you have a baby figure me like you hear say me a open preach. Hey girl, you know your Lexus they tell me from me I go school. Pick me now old man again. Stiff titty now old man again. Not now old man again, a good old do it and them not talk about the one down here, so them not talk about the one up here, so you have to make you some move. I'm sorry for una band with no Eve Apple. Anybody una band with no Eve Apple get left in the bedroom, you have to make your Eve Apple move when the boy plant the pipe in your throat. Or you make it move fast. Yeah, what you say? And you have to make sound too, just in case it might can't hold it. And just bust off. You have to make sound, you have to go so. Yeah. What you say? So you talk about you have a baby, forgive me. Go and go sell it. See if you can make a change off of what you argue with. African people, me a come off leave, you know. Me a come on back 2 o'clock. Me a come off leave, you know. Me not stay with no long. Come, sister. We need sister Daphne. I tell you thanks. Thanks. Me don't know she tell you thanks, but thanks. Yeah. Oh, come, thank you. Yeah. Me not stay with no longer. Me love on the people. Big up on yourself, stay blessed, keep sweet and stay strong. Yeah. Be safe, Shebby. Thank you, my baby. Thank you so much. Not yet, just reach. Hi. Stay till 11. No! Enough is enough. Me have the kangaroo tail in there for go hot up. This morning me have to get up and warm up callaloo and eat it with dumpling and sweet potato. Me did eat no sweet potato with it. Me don't remember me eat no sweet potato with it, you know. No, me can't do that to my body. I have to go take my bleaching pill. You never know. Candy Badas, you're lucky in your big pants. Yeah, I can't do this.